Are you interested in starting a real estate rental business but don't have a lot of capital? Well, you're not alone. Starting a rental business with limited capital can be challenging, but it's not impossible. In fact, with the right strategies and mindset, you can build a successful rental business without breaking the bank. Here's how you can get started with your real estate business when you have limited capital. One option is to start by renting out a single room in your home. This can be a great way to generate extra income if you have extra space available. Platforms like Airbnb make it easy to rent out a single room for short-term stays, which can be a great way to generate extra income while meeting new people. If you're looking to rent out a whole property, consider looking for properties in up-and-coming areas that may be more affordable than established neighborhoods. These properties may have the potential for increased rental income as the area develops. Another option is to partner with investors who are willing to contribute capital in exchange for a share of the rental income. You can also save money on renovations and maintenance by doing some of the work yourself, such as painting or basic repairs. With these strategies, you can start small by renting out just a single room and focus on generating a steady rental income before expanding. So, if you're ready to start your own real estate rental business, don't let limited capital hold you back. With these tips and a bit of hard work, you can achieve your dreams of becoming a successful real estate investor, whether you're renting out just a single room or a whole property. Thanks for watching, you amazing humans. If you liked this video and want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. For those of you who have already subscribed, you guys are rock stars. Again, thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in our next video.